Here it is, 2-2 pitch to George Springer, and boom! It is out of here, an absolute bomb. Right by the Budweiser sign. This Bud's for you, George Springer. Matt Barnes needed one strike, one out, and the Red Sox probably go on to win the game. They were up 8-4 going to the bottom of the 7th. The fans are happy. I hope Mr. Kim is happy. But the Red Sox gave up 2 runs in the bottom of the 7th, and of course 3 runs here to go on to lose the game 98. Matt Barnes is not happy. Just an absolute bomb. He crushed it, and he knew it. And he does this kind of weird dance, but that's okay. He hit the home run. He can do whatever he wants. Watch it. Just blistered it. Gurriel looks like they put like a feather duster on top of his head. But you know what? I don't have hair. He can comb his hair and cut it any way he wants. Sure, I'm jealous. But the Blue Jays win the game 9-8. Red Sox have only won 2 of their last 10. Can they turn it around?